Last month, the HMD Global owned phone maker Nokia came out with a refreshed logo since acquiring the Nokia brand in 2016. The introduction of new logo was a hint that something special was in the works. You are right if you are one of those with such foresights. The Nokia brand under HMD Global has been making some good smartphones and feature phones since acquiring the brand from Microsoft. Despite making some good phones, the new Nokia is not really making a lot of impacts in terms of market share. The main reason to this could be due to the fact that they did not pay too much attention to high-end flagship level smartphones. Most Nokia smartphones are either entry level or mid-range smartphones. Nokia first announced its intention to compete for market share by introducing a new logo. Now, the Finland-based company is preparing to go all out with the launch of Nokia Magic Max. At the recent edition of MWC 2023 in Barcelona, Nokia announced two upcoming smartphones that are yet to launch. The company announced Nokia Magic Max and Nokia C99. Since the announcement, there has been a lot of leaks about the phones, and we will share all the details with expected prices here. Nokia C99 launch date and price. Most rumors are pointing the launch date of the Nokia C99 to 28th April 2023. However, another rumor extends the date further to November 18, 2023. Owing to the fact that Nokia announced the C99 at the MWC 2023, the later launch date is quite off the hook. The Nokia C99 is also tipped to come with a price tag of about $480.